Are you searching for the best house plan and design ideas? Stop your search and visit our website Houseplansdaily. Our website offers a wide range of house plans in various categories that cater to the needs of people who are looking to construct their dream homes. These plans are especially helpful for students studying civil engineering or architecture. Also, the people who are looking for house design ideas to build their dream house, civil engineers, architects, vastu consultants, and astrologers. The house plans on our website are grouped into 5 categories. They are free house plans, vastu house plans, home design videos, house designs, books. The category of free house plans includes simple and small house plans that can be downloaded for free. The next category we offer is vastu house plans. This category is further divided into 4 subcategories: east-facing house plans, north-facing house plans, south-facing house plans, and west-facing house plans. These house plans are categorized according to the direction specified in Vastu Shastra. We offer a range of house plans in all 4 directions, from small to big. Both free and paid files are available for download. The home design videos category includes articles made using all available videos on our Houseplansdaily YouTube channel. The next category is house designs. Under this category, architecture, duplex house plans, high ceiling house plans, home decor, house design with elevation, house plans with car parking, house plans with courtyard, house plans with shop, house plans with swimming pool, interior design ideas, Kerala house designs, like these subcategories are available. The books category contains house plan books and house plan PDF books. The subcategory of house plan books includes information about variety of books written by an author A.S. Sethupathi and published on various online platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart. On the other hand, the house plan PDF books category includes all the PDF format books published on our website. To download these books, simply click on the link provided at the end of the article. The next category is Others, which includes house plans from subcategories such as American house designs, commercial house plans, UK house designs. Next, here is a guide on how to download a free or paid file. To download the free house plan file, follow these steps. 1. Click on the free house plan article. 2. At the end of the article, click on the Download the Files Now button. 3. A payment page will appear. 4. Click on the Download this file for free button to get the file. 5. Alternatively, if you wish to donate 10 rupees, you can click the same button and make the payment to download the file. To download the paid house plan file, follow these steps. 1. Click on the paid house plan article you want, such as house plan PDF book. 2. At the end of the article, find and click on the Download the Files Now or PDF book button. 3. This will take you to a payment page. 4. Click on the Add to Cart button on the right side of the page. 5. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button. 6. Select the Checkout with Razorpay button. 7. Choose your preferred payment option and click on Pay Now. 8. Once you've completed your purchase, click on My Purchases, located in the top right corner of the page. 9. You'll see 2 buttons available, one to download the file and another for the invoice. 10. Click on each button to download the file and the invoice.